On-site brine production is an essential requirement in many processing industries, including food production, water treatment, pharmaceutical and chemical manufacture. The Niplast range of salt saturators is designed for just such on-site applications, to accept road tanker or IBC deliveries of salt, to control the incoming water flow, to filter, and to then deliver the subsequently produced brine solution. The saturation process is largely automated with different levels of water, salt, and brine assessment available. The primary features of a Niplast system include an aluminium salt delivery line for pressurized road tanker delivery, a water inlet system controlled via ball float valve or other control system, low-level side entry access with viewing window for easy salt level assessment, a 2-layer gravel filter bed, floor-mounted brine collection pipe and powder vent or powder collection system. Niplast's bespoke manufacturing processes mean there are no diameter restrictions, so on-site or access difficulties can be overcome. These vessels are available in different storage and recharge capacities to suit available space on site.